Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility, camera output voltage versus Bluetooth logic levels, and matching power rails. Once parts are on hand, mount the camera on a breadboard or short PCB so you can access pins easily. Solder or jumper the camera VCC to 3V regulator output, ground to common ground, and expose data pins. Make sure to use decoupling capacitors on the regulator. This first assembly gets you from parts to a stable prototype, ready for wiring and configuration. Next, wire the camera data lines to your microcontroller, inserting level shifters where required. Once done, connect the Bluetooth module TX/RX to the microcontroller serial port. Upload bridge firmware that reads camera frames and streams them over serial to Bluetooth. Choose an MCU with sufficient RAM. ESP32 is a common choice because it handles images and Bluetooth well. Make sure to set baud rates, frame buffer sizes, and image resolution in the code. Then verify serial communication with a terminal. Finally, pair the Bluetooth module with your phone or PC, open the receiving app or a serial viewer, and request a frame. You should see image data or a live stream. Once confirmed, secure the hardware in an enclosure with a clear aperture for the lens and route the antenna for best signal. If things go wrong, first check power rails and common ground, then confirm baud and camera initialization settings. Often it's a loose ground, incorrect serial speed, or a misconfigured camera register that blocks images.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.